Hi, this is Shastri of CSC5B. We are doing a presentation on safe disposal of radioactive waste. My teammates are Sushil Kumar, Nikhil, and Vinil Verma. So, storage of radioactive waste. Store waste is only approved in bags and containers. Bags, boxes, cardboards are available from the lab safety supply. Do not use anything other than anything that can be mistaken for a ordinary trash container. Waste containers. As you can see in the PPT, this type of containers cannot be used for radioactive waste, storing the radioactive waste. You can also see in the next slide, this is the container which is used is not safety, and so this is also considered as a violation. My teammate Sushil Kumar will continue the rest of the presentation.
Hi, this is Sushil Kumar of CSC5B, and we are going to discuss storage of radioactive waste. Here are some of the components that we are going to discuss. Don't mix aqueous and organic liquid waste. Don't mix liquid and dry waste. That is, do not dispose of such items as paper chips in liquids or waste, or vials with liquids in dry waste. Segregate dry waste by half-leaves equal to or less than 100 days, and that with half-leaves greater than 100 days. And here are some of the points that we are going to discuss of storage of radioactive waste. Do not mix the scintillation vials that contain different radionuclides. Do not use Coke bottles or milk bottles, etc. in liquid waste. And we are going to discuss about legal methods of disposing radioactive waste. Here are some of the components we are going to discuss, and the components will be elaborated by my friend Nikhil and Vinil. And here are the components: hold for decay, dump to sanitary sewer, incineration, ship to disposal site, dispose of as it is not radioactive. From here onwards, hold for decay is going to continue it by Nikhil.
Hi, this is Nikhil from CSC5B, and I am going to speak about the legal methods of disposing of radioactive waste. Firstly, hold for decay. You can store waste in the laboratory if the half-life is no greater than 36 days. The Radiation Safety Office can hold waste with half-lives up to 100 days. Next is dump to sanitary sewer. Must be water soluble or a readily dispersible biological material in water. Concentration is limited by regulation. Check with the Radiation Safety Office. Must obtain permission from the Radiation Safety Office prior to dumping. Next, incineration. Preferred method of disposing of combustibles. Generator pays for the disposal cost. Next, Vinil will continue with the other legal methods of disposing radioactive waste. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vinil Verma. I am going to continue legal methods of disposing radioactive waste. Ship to an approved disposal site. Seal sources in gauges, detectors or counters, and check sources are sent to approved disposal site for disposal. Generator pays for the disposal cost. And another method to dispose if it is not radioactive. Scintillation cocktail contain no more than 0.05 microcuries per ml of H3O or C14 may be discarded as if it is not radioactive. If chemicals are disposed properly, the radioactivity will not process a problem. Dispose if it is not radioactive. Animal tissue containing no more than 0.05 microcuries per ml of H3 or C14 may be discarded as if it is not radioactive. If animal tissue is disposed properly, the radioactive will not pose a problem. A waste disposal tag. Every waste bottle or box or bag must have a complete waste disposal tag attached with isotope, activity, volume, date, PI and lab. For dry waste, estimate volume in cubic feet, and for liquid waste, estimate volume in liters. Waste will not be picked up with a complete waste tag. These are the methods of disposing radioactive waste, and I thank you to our ma'am, Chandrakala ma'am, for giving us this opportunity. Thanks.